Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? Today at Foodish we are going to make a really delicious cake, which is fruit cake. We will use a lemon essence and we'll make it with butter. So don't miss any of the step. You have to follow, you have to watch the full video so that you can have all the details and all the tips and tricks to make this lavishly amazing and delicious cake. So I hope you will like it and your kids and your family would love it. This is very easy, not much to do. First of all, we'll just take tutti frutti fruits and some raisins and some sliced almonds. So take it aside. Then we'll take 1 cup of all purpose flour and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You'll have to sieve it for 2 to 3 times so that all the flour is mixed with baking powder. Then we'll take 3/4 cup of sugar, icing sugar, and then half of the cup of butter we'll take. This is homemade butter, not market one, and this is a soft butter, half cup of butter. We'll beat it with the as a mixture with electric beater. All this butter and sugar will mix and make a fluffy and creamy paste, and you will have to beat it till 2 to 3 minutes. If you don't have this electric beater, you will be able to do it with whisk or hand beater. This is very easy step. You will just have to do it little faster, so it will be beaten very well. If you like my recipes, do not forget to subscribe, like and comments. I need your support, I need your encouragement. Whatever you want to ask, you can ask me. Whatever you want to share, you can share in your comments. So everything is welcome. We are beating this mixture of sugar, icing sugar and butter so that it gets really creamy and puffy. Ground sugar I have used. You can take half cup of normal sugar and grind it, and then it will form 3/4 cup of ground sugar. So we'll use it, and this mixture of fluffy butter and sugar will make the cake so lavish, so amazingly soft, and you will be surprised with the texture. My family likes this very much, so I thought to share it with you. Okay, we have got the creamy texture of butter and sugar. So then we have taken 1 egg and we'll beat it for just 30 seconds, not 30 to 40 seconds, not more than that. After that, we'll add 1 more egg to it and we will beat that again so that it gets a little creamy and buttery mixture. The other egg is going to be added like this and beat it again for 30 seconds maximum. You can beat it. This homemade butter will give the very nice taste to the cake, but you can use always the market purchased butter. Otherwise I will share the recipe of making butter from homemade as a homemade method. So we have got the texture we want like this, and now we'll add the flour after beating a little more so that we can have a fluffy mixture of eggs, butter and sugar. Don't worry if you don't have the butter at home. You can use ghee as well, or you can use oil as well. It will give almost same result, so do not worry if you don't have anything. You can always use alternates, and you can get a good result with those as well. So we have beaten it very much and it has got a creamy texture. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of lemon essence. You can use vanilla essence as well, coconut essence, whatever essence you like. So I have used the lemon essence for now. The 1 cup all-purpose flour sieved very well will be taken into two parts. So I have put the half amount of the all-purpose flour into the batter, and just mix it before you switch on the beater. So now I have switched on the beater and I'm mixing it just for few seconds like this. There should be no lumps in it. Now the next remaining amount of the all-purpose flour and baking powder mixture will be added to the already making mixture. So make it like make sure that it is soft. So we have to use a little, I mean 1/4 of milk into this mixture, so that it gets really creamy and soft and the cake gets really good in texture. All the 1/4 cup of milk I have added into the mixture, and I'm going to mix it really well. See, this is the creamy texture we want for this cake, and this cake is not much runny consistency. This cake mixture is a little bit harder and stiff form. So here I have taken a bowl or the cake mold and greased it, and I have put it a butter paper into it so that the cake bottom does not stick with the uh, pan. So I will take half of the batter into the cake pan, and then I'll put some raisins and tutti frutti fruits and some crushed almonds on it, so that it do not get to the bottom of the cake. Now the remaining mixture I will take 1 part of raisins and tutti frutti, mix with it, and then pour it onto the top of the batter we poured it into the bowl previously. So like this I have cleaned the pan which I used for making batter. Now we'll move it like this so that there are no lumps and the cake surface is really smooth. The remaining third part of the raisins and almonds and tutti frutti is going to be added on the surface, so that cake looks really lavish and amazing and tasty and beautiful. So here is the cake batter. I had preheated the pan because I'm baking this cake without oven. So cake is ready after 40 minutes baking. You have to preheat this pan 10 minutes before you start baking the cake, putting into it. So cake is ready. You can see the brown edges and the beautiful color of the surface of the cake, and this is really going to be amazing. I'll take a wooden stick and I have put it into the cake to check so that the cake is all done. Yes, the stick is clean. If the stick is clean, it means your cake is fully baked and cooked. You can take it out of the pan and remove the heat. So the next step is, yes, the cake is ready. I have removed the heat and removed it from the pan. You can bake it into the oven as well at 180 degrees centigrade into the uh, gas oven. I have removed the butter paper and the cake is looking so yummy, so beautiful, and so mouth-watering, so soft. See, See, the edges are golden brown, not like dark brown, and the cake is really soft, smelling so amazing, and looking so soft. I hope you will like it and you will comment really good. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends. I need your support, I need your encouragement. I'm going to cut it and show you the inside of the cake and show you how soft how mouth melting it is. So like I have cut it a piece, and let's dish it out. Yes, see, So amazing, mashallah, so beautiful, so tasty. I'm damn sure, I'm 100% sure you will be liking it so much. See how lavish it is. There are so many fruits and raisins and almonds which will make your mouth full of water. You can serve it as a party snack, you can give it to your kids, because this is so very healthy, so soft, and no doubt you will like it. Let's have a spoon of it. See the softness and the creamy texture. This is so amazing cake. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. I'm so happy to make it, and you will be as well if you try it. This is so soft. Let me know how your experience was this with this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Remember me in your prayers. Take care of yourself. Use homemade things. Use hygienic things. Look, the cake is looking so amazing, beautiful, amazingly tasty. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. I love you all.